What is commercial goat farming and why is it important? Goat farming is a thriving industry with a global market that continues to grow. But what exactly is commercial goat farming and why is it important? Commercial goat farming refers to the practice of raising goats for profit. It involves the management of a large-scale goat farming enterprise that produces goat milk, meat, and other products for local and international markets. Goat farming is an essential component of agriculture, providing a source of income and livelihood for millions of farmers worldwide. In many countries, goat farming is a critical contributor to rural economies and plays a significant role in poverty reduction and food security. One of the key advantages of commercial goat farming is that goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments. They are relatively low maintenance and require less space and investment compared to other livestock, making them an ideal choice for small-scale farmers. Goat farming also offers a wide range of products including milk, meat, and fiber, which can be processed into various value-added products. Goat milk, for example, is rich in nutrients and is a popular alternative to cow's milk, while goat meat is lean, high in protein, and low in fat. The market demand for goat products continues to grow, with many consumers seeking healthier and more sustainable food choices. As a result, the demand for goat milk, meat, and other products has increased, creating lucrative opportunities for commercial goat farmers. In conclusion, commercial goat farming is an essential and growing industry with significant economic and social benefits. By raising goats for milk, meat, and other products, farmers can generate income, contribute to local economies, and provide consumers with healthy and sustainable food choices. Thank you for sticking to the end. Next, we shall look at market potential and opportunities for commercial goat farming. Be sure to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Have a good one.